Hi students, still on quadratic equation. We are going to be looking at a very good aspect today, formation of quadratic equation from given roots. We have a question: alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha minus 1 over beta and beta minus 1 over alpha. Now, solution. What you need to do first is to have your equation. The equation is 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Now, since you are told that alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, we need to get the sum of root and the product of root, just as we did previously. That is going to help us to actually find the equation we are asked to find. So we have alpha plus beta. Remember, alpha plus beta in this case is minus b all over a. Then alpha beta we said is c over a. Now, this is going to be 3 over 2, okay, but minus 3 over 2, and this is going to be minus 4 all over 2, and the answer is minus 2. So we have our alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta. Now, remember, the new equation we are going to find is one having the roots seen on the screen. What we need to do is to come down to say, okay, let the unknown of the new equation be y, okay, be y. So remember in the previous video I showed you the format, okay, of a quadratic equation, or how to form a quadratic equation, which I said is going to be the unknown squared minus the sum of roots. Then we have the unknown plus the product of roots is equals to 0. So if you can see, we actually need the sum and the product. Now remember, the new roots that we are looking at are alpha minus 1 over beta and beta minus 1 over alpha. So all I need to do is to go back and get the sum. Let me get the sum now. Now the sum is going to be alpha minus 1 over beta, all right, plus we have beta minus 1 over alpha. Now this is going to be alpha plus beta. I'm rearranging it now. Minus into 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. This is alpha plus beta. Then minus, of course, I'm going to have an LCM of alpha, beta. So that's going to be beta plus alpha. You see, I'm done with this. But recall, what I have done now is to write this in terms of sum and product. And we already know alpha. Look at it now. Look at this and look at this. So we know alpha plus beta, which is minus 3 over 2. And we know alpha beta, which is minus 2. So here we are going to have minus 3 over 2 minus into then minus 3 over 2 all over minus 2. This is what I have. I just substituted alpha, beta, and alpha plus beta, the sum and the product. Now, this is going to be minus 3 over 2. Now, this will be minus 3 over 4. If you do it, that is what you are going to get. So you find the LCM further, and the LCM is 4. And we can see that this place is minus 6, then this is minus 3. So the answer is going to be minus 9 over 4. So we are done with this aspect of it. Then let's go for the product now. The product of the roots, remember, is alpha minus 1 over beta, okay? Then times we have beta minus 1 over alpha. Now doing this, alpha times beta, we have alpha beta. Then alpha times minus 1 over alpha, we have minus 1. Then minus 1 over beta times beta, we have minus 1 again. Then we have plus, we are going to have 1 over alpha beta. I just expanded it, and we are going to have alpha beta minus 2, then plus 1 over alpha beta. Remember, we said that alpha beta is equals to 2, minus 2, sorry. So we have minus 2, then minus 2, okay, then plus 1 all over, we have minus 2. This is what we have. So we are going to have, working it, we are going to have minus 2 minus 2, then minus 1 over 2. All right, this is what I have. So if you check it out, this is going to be minus 4.5, which invariably is going to be minus 9 over 2. So we're done with this aspect. Now we move back to the equation given to us. Remember, this is what we are working with. So therefore, I'm going to have y squared minus, remember, sum of roots y, then plus product of roots. Now is equals to 0. Now the sum of root is minus 9 over 4. So I have here going to be y squared minus, we have minus 9 over 4. Then I have my y plus the product is minus 9 over 2. Everything is equals to 0. So this is going to be y squared, then plus 9y over 4, then minus 9 over 2 is equals to 0. Now we have to clear the fraction. We clear the fraction by multiplying through by the LCM, which is 4. So I'm going to have 4y squared plus 9y. Then here is going to be minus 18 is equals to 0. Now this is my answer, okay, which is very important that we take note of it. Okay, so this is actually the equation that whose roots are the ones given here, which is alpha minus 1 over beta and beta minus 1 over alpha. So thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.